how to reset AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset of your AirPods Pro 2 so that you can sell them or fix any issues you're having with them. So after you do this, you'll have to set them up again on any devices you plan on using them with. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is put our AirPods Pro 2 in their case and then close the lid for 30 seconds. Once you've waited 30 seconds, open up the lid, and on the back, you'll find a button. Hold down that button for 15 seconds. So I'm pressing it now, and I'm going to hold it for 15 seconds. You'll see the white light start blinking white, but keep holding it until the light turns amber. Once it turns amber, let go of the button, and then wait, and this is when it's factory resetting. Once it turns white again, that means that the factory reset is successful, and you'll now need to set up these AirPods. So if I hold them close to my iPhone, as you can see, it's showing connect because it does not recognize these AirPods because they've been fully reset. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.